The first guest speaker, Mr. Nabil Kadir.
Assalamualaikum everybody, बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का and Society at LUMS, Entrepreneurship Society, for inviting me to come speak. The pleasure. I have been associated to the entrepreneurship sector in Pakistan for ever since it started to happen. Back in the day, back in 2012, वहाँ से उस वक्त से मेरा I am one of those partners in crime with all those people जिन्होंने मिलके ecosystem develop किया. Entrepreneurship के बारे में बात करना usually sounds like a perk, like something जो कि शशका है, इसको हम अपनी पंजाबी जुबान में बोलते हैं. लेकिन मैं अगर आपको इसका एक point of view देना चाहूँ, so what I'd like to share with you today is not primarily entrepreneurship, because आप सारे वो लोग हैं जो इस वक्त अभी आप लोग अपने careers में आगे जाना है. There's a lot of time still for you to decide a way forward. So before you get into shaping your career in whatever directions you do, और societies में आना, and I'm assuming that the society में जो आप लोग participate कर रहे हैं और ये orientation event है, तो इसमें आप लोग figure out कर रहे हैं कि आपको इस society से क्या मिलेगा और ये. Not that I am part of the society, but I have in my younger days, when I used to be in university back many years ago, तब तस्वीरें black and white होती थी, तब मैंने भी entrepreneurship societies बनाई थी और इस तरह के काम किए थे. तो मैं आपको आज थोड़ा उससे deeper जगह लेके जाना चाहूँगा. I am not a motivational speaker. I will definitely fail to motivate you in 10 minutes, but what I will try and make you do is to be able to maybe try and make you think a bit. So when you talk about entrepreneurship, or when you talk about career or life or decisions, the one word that kind of forms the foundation of everything is leadership. A leader, it resides in each one of us. हम सब में किसी न किसी शेप में एक लीडर होता है. हमें सिर्फ देखना ये होता है कि हम उस लीडर को किस तरह और किस वक्त अपने अंदर से निकाल पाते हैं. So leadership is not a position. Why is that so important to understand as students and as young people? Why is it so important to understand the context of this in the society we live in? Because throughout these 4 years, there will be some who will lead some activities, while others will remain members. As long as this mental divide remains, there will be very little room for innovation, ideas, and inclusivity. So if leadership is not a position, then what really is it? In my humble opinion, it's just a state of mind. It's a state of mind, and it comes with practice. The practice of what? Next question. क्या practice करना चाहिए? So when I say, I've written this book recently, जो कि आने वाली है थोड़ी देर में, उसमें I've explained this in terms of a fist. Usually a fist has 5 fingers, like 4 fingers and this, the 5. So अगर हम इसमें देखें हमारे पूरे palm में, so you can literally say a fist of a leader, literally all you need to do is to be able to control these 5 things. So one's time, the other's emotions, then there's reactions, then perceptions, and then your will. 5 things. And इसके गिर्द आपकी अपनी पूरी की पूरी career journey, leadership journey, entrepreneurial journey, सब in 5 elements के गिर्द घूमती है. Together, they form the fist of a leader, as I say. And it literally means that these things are in the palm of your hands. And it's accessible to you all the time. All of these things. It's our decision how we control them. At LES, the worth of the society, I think, would be directly proportional to the entrepreneurial movement this group of people can create. You have to understand, the power is in your own hands. आप कितना shake करेंगे status quo को, आपकी entrepreneurial movement का जो delta है वो define करेगा कि आपका ये LES में आना और इस तरह की चीजें करने का फायदा भी है कि नहीं. For it, each individual, I feel, has to have total control of their mind. Ideas don't sprout in environments that are prone to taking perceptions. It actually happens only when you are the ones building perceptions. So what I'm trying to say here is that you have to ask yourself this question: do I get influenced by distractions around me? Do I get influenced by perceptions around me? Because if that is the case, then clearly there is a major gap between who you should be as a leader and who you are now. That's one thing that you must think about. I'd say respect your time. It's very important to respect your time. Know that why you're doing what you're doing, and most importantly, with whom. Who are the company you're keeping around you? It's very important to have the right company. A quote we know, Goro ka ke, a man is known by the company that he keeps. Same is the case for women. The woman is also known by the company she keeps. So respect your time. Very important. Second, I'd say control your emotions. It does not mean become a brick wall. I'm not saying that. It just means how much worth you are attaching to others' words. लोगों के अल्फाज हमारे इमोशंस को इंस्टिगेट करते हैं. आप उनका कितना असर लेते हैं, ये डिसीजन आपकी अपनी होती है as an individual. So please have control on your emotions. Do not get bogged down, or do not lose focus because of the words being thrown at you and the information being thrown at you from 24/7 and from all angles towards you, and it all comes unfiltered. So you have to not get distracted. That's something that if you're able to do, you're able to do great things. The next thing I'd like to talk about maybe would be to check your reactions. As I said, the third part of the fist is reactions. To check your reactions. Are you reacting because it is the right thing to do, or are you reacting because you're taking it personally? Is your ego being hurt when you're reacting? A leader, an entrepreneur who's trying to create something, who's trying to build something from scratch, he or she needs to take a lot of feedback. And most of that feedback is negative. So you need to be able to can digest that feedback really well and be able to move on with it. And even some of the feedback can actually be productive. And so to be able to filter between the two is also a skill of an entrepreneur. So I'd say check your reactions. Very important if you aspire to be a change maker, because to me, entrepreneur is a change maker. वो होता है जो status quo को change करता है, जो कुछ नया लाता है, जो नया करने का तरीका निकाल लेता है. The next part that I'd like to say, maybe 2-3 more minutes of what I want to share, is for you to be able to break perceptions. This is very, very important. Why? Because every time you are asked to do something because everyone is doing it, question it, challenge it. Who is this everyone anyway? They're often not more than 2 or 4 or 5 people. But they're influenced you directly. They're in your WhatsApp. They're on your social mediums. You think everyone's saying it. Must be true. Never buy perceptions. Always question them. Nurture your own perceptions. And be someone who can build and spread perception. Entrepreneur कौन होता है? जो एक नई चीज तैयार करता है और बाद में उसकी perception देता है कि चलेगी, आप use करें, आप खरीदें. What exactly is entrepreneurship? It's being able to sell a service or a product. You can't do that if you can't create perceptions. So to be able to create perceptions, you have to ensure that you're able to break perceptions. That was my next advice. And my last advice and my last point that I'd like to maybe share with you is to be able to find your will. The fifth part of the fist was will. Find it. Will, in my opinion, is your purpose. So this is the thumb of the fist, as they say. The fist won't have any strength, literally any strength, nor will it operate without the thumb. Try it. The thumb kind of controls the fist. So this will literally is the nucleus around all of what I said. If you want to punch hard, you gotta have to find the will to change, the will to challenge, the will to unlearn and relearn. That's the hardest part. In my experience of 15, 16 years of professional life, what I have seen, and if I weigh people who do well and people who do rather average, the only difference, frankly, is how better one of them is in unlearning and relearning. ये बहुत बड़ा skill होता है. अगर आपके पास ये स्किल आ जाए तो आई थिंक आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. दिस विल नॉट जस्ट मेक यू अ लीडर but a great entrepreneur, a good student, an effective person, and everything else that you will choose to pursue in your life. Finding the balance in this fist of leadership that I shared with you will result in you finding the motivation to think out of the box. Work harder than before to make your dreams come true, and frankly, add value to this institution, your family, to your society, and to your life. And the country, of course. And that's all I have to say. If you guys have any questions and if this made any sense, please feel free to give comments.
Thank you, Mr. Nabil. This is very insightful indeed, and we appreciate your time and all that you had to say. I'm sure you must have imparted a lot of knowledge to our LES family and to everyone who's here.
Thank you very, very much. Do you want it to be anyone has a question that I can answer, or am I allowed to leave?
May I ask a question, if I'm audible?
Please do.
First of all,
you
thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much for your speech. It was really wonderful to hear. My question would be the tricks and the qualities you mentioned that you must inherit in order to succeed in the realm of entrepreneurship, but they also stem from a problem that we as a society faced of stigmatic and bandwagon approaches, like at certain times entrepreneurship isn't given its due as it should be, and people tend to undertone it in ways because it's not as a surety and security as you might say. So my question would be, how does one fully engage and commit to something and disregard all the issues that you might face and the risks that you might take, given that the temptations that society provides, for example, a corporate job or something that assures a good salary or a good amount of money to do something that you're passionate about? So that would be my question. Even in cases, for example, if you're given jobs somewhere outside Pakistan, how do you eradicate that temptation that might stem from such an opportunity to come back to this place and prosper through an entrepreneurship project of some sort?
That's a very fair question. Faiz, your name is Faiz, right?
Faiz, yes. Thank you.
Faiz, okay, Faiz. It's a very important question. मैं इसका जवाब इस तरह देता हूँ आपको. I hope all of you can understand a bit of Urdu as well. हम सारे यहाँ अंग्रेज तो नहीं हैं. अपनी मादरी ज़बान में बात करनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी. ठीक. तो मैं keep bilingual. बड़ा अच्छा सवाल है. देखें इसमें होता क्या है. What you have to understand is you cannot put entrepreneurship as something that is separate from you as a human being or separate from something you do in daily life. Entrepreneurship, as I said, is a mindset. ये एक mindset, ये एक सोच का तरीका है. देखो यार, जो अभी आप निकलो अगर अपने घर से बाहर, आप देखोगे बाहर एक फ्रूट वाला अपना लगा के खड़ा है रेडी. वो एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं है. वो सुबह पहले जाता है मंडी में, वहां से जाके वो फल खरीदता है, वहां वो नेगोशिएट करता है. जो आप सारी बातें MBA में पढ़ते हैं, वो उसको तो नहीं पता ना वो क्या होता है, लेकिन वो नेगोशिएट कर रहा होता है. वो कम रेट में आम लेता है, सेब लेता है और चीजें लेकर वो अपनी रेडी को सेट करता है, उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करता है और फिर बाद में आपके सामने लाके रखता है. आप रुकते हैं वहां पे, फिर वो आपसे फिर नेगोशिएट करता है रेट को. तो वो तो पूरा का पूरा एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है. वो प्राइसिंग भी कर रहा है, वो फाइनेंस भी समझता है, वो मार्केटिंग भी कर रहा है अपनी, वो अपनी डिस्प्ले भी इंप्रूव कर रहा है जिसको आप ब्रांडिंग कहते हैं. तो अगर आप ये सारी बातें देखें तो एक आम आदमी दिन और रात इन चीजों एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को प्रैक्टिस कर रहा होता है इन सम फॉर्म और शेप. तो एक तो ये चीज है कि जो आपने बात बड़ी सही की इसमें, वो ये थी कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में इनकम की सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती. दैट्स व्हाट यू वर रेफरिंग टू. क्या आपने अपना कारोबार शुरू किया, you started a business, it's a gig you began with and you tried to launch it and didn't work. आपको 6 महीने you can't earn a penny, but with a job you have a salary on the first of the month. But you know what, in a job the biggest issue that you will face in years to come is you will not be a decision maker. There will come a time when you start getting exhausted of that salary. 2 महीने 3 महीने इंक्रीमेंट लगता है, खुशी होती है, उसके बाद वो पैसे फिर कम लगते हैं. In entrepreneurship though, not just that you are being able to create value, create what you want to create because आपकी अपनी चीज है, आप उसमें कम भी कमाते हो तो सेटिस्फैक्शन का लेवल बहुत ज्यादा होता है। और दूसरी बात यह है कि जो ग्राफ होता है आपके राइज का वो बहुत ज्यादा स्टीप होता है। सैलरी होगी आज चले जी 50,000 रुपए, अगले साल 60,000 हो गई, फिर आपको बड़ा जबरदस्त छक्का लग गया, आपका लाख रुपए हो गई, फिर 2 लाख हो गई, फिर 5 हो गई। एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट चल जाए तो शायद पहला 8 महीना, साल, 1.5 साल तो खुआरी है बड़ी, उसके बाद योर इनकम स्टार्ट्स in multiples of the salary. Then you start paying other people's salaries. So it's always a good arbitrage to take this risk. But मैं छोटे से वक्त में आपको इसके ऊपर आमादा नहीं करूंगा। मैं आपको ये रिकमेंड करूंगा as my 2 cents to all of you कि आप लोग अपने careers को इस तरह से पोजीशन करो कि while you do other things, extra curricular, शुगल मेला तो करोगे as you growing up, सब कुछ करो, लेकिन अपना कोई नीश एरिया ढूंढना शुरू कर दो। और उस नीश एरिया कुड बी someone enjoys numbers, तो वो बंदा या औरत जो है वो एक्चुअलीज देखे अपने करियर में, वो मार्केट, वो फाइनेंस देखे, अकाउंटिंग देखे, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी का रूट ले। वो जिस बंदे को क्रिएटिविटी एक्साइट करती है, इनोवेशन एक्साइट करती है, वो मार्केटिंग देखे, वो ब्रांडिंग को पढ़े, वो उसकी फ्री वीडियोस अवेलेबल है वो देख लिया करे। मैं नहीं कह रहा हर वक्त देखो, और भी चीजें करो, लेकिन अपना कोई एक कोर स्किल डेवलप करते जाओ। उस कोर स्किल को बाद में किसी और के पैसों पे ट्राई करो, जिसको नौकरी कहते हैं, जॉब करना कहते हैं कि भाई मुझे आप तनख्वाह दें, मैं अपने स्किल को प्रैक्टिस करूंगा। सो यू गेट पेड टू प्रैक्टिस योर स्किल। सो अनफॉर्चुनेट आर दोज जिनको यही नहीं पता होता उन्होंने करना क्या है आफ्टर द ग्रेजुएशन।
की साइड से सारी सेटिंग्स हुई नहीं है और होस्ट को कर लेना चाहिए, होस्ट शुड बी एबल टू स्ट्रीम लाइव, लेकिन अब आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग।
आई थिंक ये आपकी कोई इंटरनल कॉन्वर्सेशन थी।
सॉरी अबाउट दैट।
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। सो मैं आपको जवाब देने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि अगर आप मेरी बात समझें तो आप थोड़ा अरसा, you guys, all of you should try and work for people. Try and learn on, take risks on people's money, and then learn. Once you've learned a bit, then experiment on your own money, on your own time, and that's entrepreneurship. तो जब किसी और के लिए काम करो तो don't work like an employee. आजकल के जमाने में the term that is used is be an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is somebody जो उस इदारे में जाके entrepreneur की तरह काम करता है, जो कहता है कि I've joined your company, and I see you guys sell these 5 things. If you can give me some budget, I'd like to create the 6th thing for you. And that's entrepreneurship. Create it. You'll learn. The biggest teacher for you, my friends, and I know this sounds like an English quotation, but मेरी जिंदगी ने मुझे सिखाया, the biggest teacher is failure. I've tried doing 50 things, 5 have worked, 45 were glorious failures. नुकसान हुआ है, लेकिन उस नुकसान का जो लर्निंग है वो उन 5 के ऊपर जो 5 विन्स हैं वो पे बैक कर जाता है, वो सारी की सारी 45 लॉसेस। तो दैट्स व्हाई फेलियर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो जब तक आप ट्राई नहीं करोगे, आप फेल नहीं होगे, आप सीखोगे नहीं। तो बेटर टू फेल ऑन समवन एल्सेस मनी। सो दैट्स व्हाट आई से, इज जस्ट गो वर्क फॉर सम पीपल फॉर सम इयर्स, लर्न, and then whatever you're passionate about, create that on your own, and that's entrepreneurship.
Thank you so much, sir. That was a lovely answer.
Thank you. Any other question, guys?
I think they're just all too inspired by your speech right now.
Don't be. You know what, guys? Remember something. And I'll close after this. आप लोग आगे अपना करो. Enjoy your day. What I'd like to say to you is कि while people like me come and go, आपको बहुत और लोग भी मिलेंगे, आगे भी जिंदगी में और लोग मिलेंगे जो आपको बातें बताएंगे, कैसे कर लें वैसे कर लें। यार मैं आपको बताऊं, it's never going to be one size fits all. आप सबके लिए जिंदगी में एक्सपीरियंसेस फर्क होंगे, आप सबके घर के मामलात फर्क हैं, आप सबके माली हालात फर्क हैं, आप सब की जो फैसिलिटी आपको अवेलेबल है वो फर्क है, तो आप सब अपने जिंदगी में खुद सीखोगे. So I think try to live life such that you can be your biggest inspiration yourself, and you can only do that, sir and madam, when you start to challenge yourself every single day. मैंने कल ये अचीव किया था, आज मैं अपना अगला बेस्ट अचीव करूंगा. And you'll fail, you'll see lots of disasters and everything, but then you'll win again, and then you'll fail again. इससे क्या होगा? इससे इंस्पिरेशन आपको अपने आप से मिलना शुरू हो जाएगी. And that's the best thing to have, to be able to look at yourself in the mirror and be inspired and say, well, yes, am I not a glorious failure? Then let me go try again so I can do something better. It's always good to be inspired by your own self. I hope that helps.
Thank you so much, sir.
Guys.
Thank you for your time.
Janab, thank you very much. I think, do you have any other questions or am I allowed to leave?
I think everyone just.
I don't think we have any more
also
questions.
felt
Thank
out
you so
that-
much.
All the best, guys. May Allah bless you. Allah Ta'ala kamyab bhi kare aapko. Try to search for your most effective self and do not copy one another. Be original. Hamesha copy hamesha 2 number hoti hai. Yaad rakhna. So be the best version of yourself. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Khuda
Thank
Hafiz.
you, sir.